Hello everyone! My name is teacher Alice and welcome to English for Fun. What transport do you prefer? Would like to go by boat? Would you like to fly on a plane? Today we're going to talk about different kind of transport. Let's start! Hi there, my name is Ben. My friends and I want to go to a playground. How do I go to the playground? Do I drive a car? No, I don't. Do I drive a bus? No, I don't. Do I fly on an airplane? No, I don't. Do I fly a helicopter? No, I don't. Do I fly on a hot air balloon? No, I don't. Do I ride a motorcycle? No, I don't. Do I go by train? No, I don't. Do I go by boat? No, I've got an idea. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. Let's review the vocabulary. A car. A car. A car. I drive a car. A bus. A bus. A bus. I drive a bus. An airplane. An airplane. An airplane. I fly on an airplane. A helicopter. A helicopter. A helicopter. I fly a helicopter. A hot air balloon. A hot air balloon. A hot air balloon. I fly on a hot air balloon. A train. A train. A train. I go by a train. A boat. A boat. A boat. I go by a boat. A motorcycle. A motorcycle. A motorcycle. I ride a motorcycle. A bike. A bike. A bike. I ride a bike. Excellent, good job. Now it's a song time. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The dog on the bus go woof woof woof, woof woof woof, woof woof woof. The dog on the bus goes woof woof woof, all day long. The cat on the bus goes meow meow meow, meow meow meow, meow meow meow. The cat on the bus goes meow meow meow, all day long. The pig on the bus goes oink oink oink, oink oink oink, oink oink oink. The pig on the bus goes oink oink oink, all day long. The cow on the bus goes moo moo moo, moo moo moo, moo moo moo. The cow on the bus goes moo moo moo, all day long. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Excellent, good job for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.